how to sign up on Booksy. Hello friends, in this video I'll be teaching you how you can sign up on Booksy. So if this is your question, ensure you watch this video to the end. So the first step is to install the Booksy application on your device, then click on the open option that you can see there. So after clicking on open, you'll be brought to the app's interface. So on this page, you can see different options, right? You can see the option enable location services or not. For me, I do not want to do that, so I'll click on not now. And then the next stage, which is Booksy, lets you easily find services you love in your area. So you would have to select the kind of services you want. For me, I want for everyone, and I'll select everyone. And then after that, you are brought to your interface. So on this page, you can see the different accounts, the different businesses, different services that you can get on Booksy. So to create an account or to sign up, move to the bottom right corner of the screen and click on the profile icon that you can see there. Then on the profiles page, you can see get started, and then you'll be asked to select the country. So just go ahead and select the country that you belong to. So you can see the different countries here. So after selecting the one that you belong to, you can go back to the login page. And so the next step would be for you to enter in an email address. So you can just decide to continue with Google, because that is what I tend to do. So you can decide to continue with Google, you can decide to continue with Facebook, you can decide to enter in your email address here. So to continue with Google, just click on continue with Google and wait for your Google accounts to be displayed. So once the accounts are being displayed, just go ahead and select the one that you would like to use. Then click on continue. All right. So after clicking on continue, you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be asked to enter in your first and your last name. This oftentimes will be used as your display name. And then the next thing to do is to enter in your phone number. After doing that, just scroll down and then enter in a password as well. So for me, I'll just be typing in the password that I intend to use right now. Then once you're done, click on continue. And then you'll be taken to the next page where you have to select your concert. If you want to select all, click on select all. If you only want to accept the terms and the conditions, you can just do that. And then move to the lower part of the screen, the lowest part, and click on continue. And then a code will be sent to your phone number. Go ahead, copy it, and then paste in the code in the slated field. So after entering in the phone number, you can see that an account will be created, and you will see the verification code that has been sent to your phone number. An account will be created, and as you can see, you would see the option, or you see the welcome address which says welcome to Booksy, and this is how your homepage looks like. Then to confirm, move to the bottom right corner and click on the profile icon, and then this time around you won't be seeing the option sign up. Instead, you'll see your name, you'll see your phone number, you'll see family and friends, gift card, etc. So that is it. Ensure you create an account today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.